Welcome back to the No Show. It's your boy Noah, and today it is time for Noah News. And today it is snowing, and we're expecting 18 to 25 inches. Like right now, it's literally up to, I would say, right now, I would say it's up to like my knees right now. So it's about like where my knees are on the stairs, right here, like where my ankle is. Just step right here, where my ankle is. So let's go down the stairs. I'm actually, honestly, pretty scared. It's really. Right here is about at my ankle. So let's move it on. As you can see, I still have printed some of the stuff. Right now it's about 1 o'clock. So right now, I would say not to come outside. It's 1 o'clock. Looking pretty bad. It's coming out heavily. Snow, as you can see, it's soft. It is not really like a snowball type. So, yeah. That right there is the top. It is crazy out here. As you can see, you can tell how many inches by the width of my arm right here. So it comes from the tip of my finger all the way to the top of my ankle of the jacket. So, record. Oh, just enjoy a few bites of some snow. And come on, have a snowy adventure with me, Noah. Let's go! Gotta watch out for. Oh, man. Come on, camera. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, right here, this is the road. As you can see, come on, cameraman, come on. Alright, so as you can see, the road is full of snow. Everybody's cleaning off their cars. And that is what I'm about to do right now, but not with this shovel. I am going to use a little tool from my dad's car. Let's go. So I will do more videos if I can in the snow tomorrow. Definitely, yeah. And here's me eating snow. Do not do that.
That means do not eat it, Noah.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And peace.